Okay, so we are here at the what's the name of this park, Daddy? Taylor Creek Park. It's a beautiful park, and then when during the fall, all these trees it turns into a very beautiful colors. All that, all the tree. I will come back here during the fall, and all this tree, it turns the color turns into different colors, and then when the fall or the winter comes, all these trees no more leaves. I'm going to be documenting from summer, fall to winter, and then spring for 2023. So stay tuned everyone.